My wife's over there. She's a bit younger than me. People think it's my daughter. They said to me, "Have you beat the wife?" I said, "No, I've only managed to draw so far." She said, "I'll get left out." This is a song, and it was inspired by Philip Orr's book, The Long Road to the Somme. And it's about a guy from the Armagh Brigade, the old UVF, and of course they formed the 36th Ulster Division. And this lad's standing in a trench, and a piece of shrapnel has pierced his helmet, and he's been blinded, and he's crying out for his friend. He's crying, Billy Gray, will you not come to me? Right? And that was inspired. This is an actual event that took place during the battle. And it's called Leaving the Armagh Brigade. Billy Gray, will you not come to me? Bright light has turned to darkness in this trench I cannot see. For my skull has just been battered by the shell that blinded me when fighting with the Armagh Brigade. Oh, I remember well my old associate in arms, when we gathered from our towns and villages and farms in answer to the echo of Carson's loud alarms. We formed up the Armagh Brigade. We took the smuggled rifles from off the Clyde Valley to fight the south or England or whatever enemy would bring us into bondage and deny our liberty. We marched with the Armagh Brigade. Well, I've always been so puzzled, I cannot understand why we're fighting here in France and not in Ulster's land, and knowing England's promises are as firm as drifting sand. I don't believe a word that they said. When we charged this morning with great and mighty yell through the German trenches, how far I cannot tell, I prepared myself for heaven and walked right into hell along with the Armagh Brigade. I hear loud booming thunder and stutter of the guns, hear the angry screaming of Ulster's falling sons in this bloody slaughterhouse in the battlefield of Somme. I'm dying with the Armagh Brigade. Oh, Ulster is my heritage and Ulster is my cause. This war, it is futility, its glory is a fraud. But I am bleeding heavily, now I must go to God. I'm leaving the Armagh Brigade. Billy Gray, will you not come to me? I'm far away from home, my wife and family. Will you come and speak some comfort and be a friend to me? If you're not dead yet, Billy Gray.